Stop! If you're still paying full price for groceries and travel, you are literally leaving money on the table. In today's economy, being a smart shopper isn't a hobby. It's a survival skill. Drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to stop the overspending and start keeping more of your hard-earned cash. Here are the top 10 places I use to beat inflation every single day. First, for groceries, it's all about ALDI and Lidl. You get high quality without the brand name markup. Second, hit the warehouse clubs like Costco or Sam's for those bulk essentials. Third, don't sleep on Dollar General, especially their Saturday coupons. Fourth, for home goods, I go to the Habitat Restore. Fifth, local thrift stores like Goodwill for hidden treasures. Now, for the digital edge, number 6 is the Save Club. It's my secret weapon for travel and daily deals. 7. Use the Upside app for cash back at the gas pump. 8. Install Rakuten for automatic online savings. 9. Join your local Buy Nothing groups on Facebook. You'd be shocked at what people give away for free. And number 10, your local library. It's a goldmine of free entertainment and resources. You don't have to work harder to have more, you just have to shop smarter. Click the link in my bio to see how I'm using these tools to build real freedom. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips on winning the money game.